So before we leave this Airbnb for good, I want to show you.
Okay, so this is our little hallway. Actually we had a cockroach in the room and the lady of the Airbnb, she killed the cockroach in that hallway. We have a video of it, I'll show it of course. So this is our bed, just a basic bunk bed. It wasn't that special, but to be honest, the price we paid wasn't that special either. We had a mini fridge, a television, and we didn't use either of them. Hi, that's me. Okay, surprising part 1. The wallpaper was quite disgusting. It had stains on it, and at some areas it was also, like loosened up. I think there was some mold involved as well. And of course, the light. They stuck it to the ceiling with duct tape, and I have no idea how safe that is, but I guess not that safe. Okay, so the bathroom. Yeah, this was quite disappointing because the advertisement showed pictures of a sink, and guess what? We did not have a sink, so you can imagine that we were quite sad. The shower was okay, to be honest. Toilet was okay, just the missing sink was kind of weird. So yeah, and we also had a kitchen / living room area, so let's get on to that now.
So when you're on the 3rd floor, you'll see this door. When you open it, there's the stairs. Oh my god, my battery is dead, but I think it will manage. Okay, so then here you can do your laundry room, and then this is the living room. Oh, they currently have their laundry here, but in the morning you can get your breakfast here. You have to do your own dishes though, but yeah, you can cook something here, and there's some free water. It's an ugly view, but yeah.